Kia ora te iwi, I'm Hinehui.
I'm Maraikura. Nau mai ki ko toa manawa, ko Tōku manawa.
Tuatahi ake, kia timata ki tētahi karakia, ne?
Manawa nei e te huakirangi, manawa nei e te huaki papa.
O haunuku te kokonga whare kia kitea, o haurangi te kokonga ngā kau kia rongahia. Kau ai ringatia, kau ai rarotia, kia pūkawatia te mānehurangi. Mōhine ngā kau, mō tama ngā kau.
Hei oranga tinana, hei oranga wairua. Tau te mauri, tau hā, tau ana.
Tau ana e hoama. This is a journey to help us all learn how to keep our manawa beating healthy and strong and how to protect it from rheumatic fever.
Let's talk about Rangi and Papa. You know the story, eh?
Well, when Rangi and Papa were together, there was only darkness. Their tamariki were hoha of being in the dark. They wanted to see the world covered in light.
Our atua worked together, aiming to bring light to the world. Ka kapakapa rahi, ka hoto nui, ka pātukitahi o rā te manawa.
Just like them, we're on a journey to bring light to the darkness of rheumatic fever together.
It's a journey we can explore with no worries, but we have to do it together. Ka whē tuki te manawa ora.
Let's start by understanding what rheumatic fever is and how it affects us. It's like an unwanted visitor that flows into our bodies and can cause heart damage.
It's a big challenge for us as Māori, especially for us tamariki and rangatahi. Just as Tāne brought light into the world, we too can bring light and understanding to rheumatic fever together.
Kia whē tuki te manawa ora. To help us fight against rheumatic fever, we have to understand what it is and how it can impact our bodies. Let's dive deeper, e hoama.
It can often start as a sore throat and other symptoms, like skin infection. He murere te huakita nei.
If not treated quickly, this huakita can travel to the heart. This is where it can cause rheumatic fever, te mate rheumatiki.
Rheumatic fever can damage the heart valves. It's like a crack in our foundation, weakening our heart.
But here's the good news. We can prevent it. With early treatment for strep throat, keeping our homes warm and dry, and maintaining good hygiene, we can stop rheumatic fever in its tracks.
Ka rawe e hoama, we've made the first step in understanding rheumatic fever. At the next part of our journey, we'll learn how to prevent it.
Kia mai mahara tātou, we carry the strength of our atua within us. Together, we can overcome anything.
Kia kaha e te whānau,
Kia pātukitahi ko tō manawa,
ko Tōku manawa, ka ora e!